All right, welcome back to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. If you've never been here before, just go ahead and hit that subscribe button. All right, and then we will know that you appreciate the material, and you will be notified when new videos are posted to SouFLoTV. So this is just a follow-up story because 2 days ago we did a video on Sunnyman Shortman Walker, and Sunnyman Shortman Walker 2 days ago was a wanted man. Today, Sunnyman Shortman Walker has been captured. For those of you who don't know, he was wanted for the murder or involvement in the murder of a tourist, someone who had been coming to Jamaica since he was in his teens and was now in his mid 60s, right? This was a American man who was retired from Chrysler and General Motors and decided that Jamaica was his peace of mind. He was seen in many posts on social media talking about how Jamaica had restored his faith in humanity and how he was feeling very down and out and feeling like the world was against him and nothing was going right and people cannot be trusted. But then as soon as he lands in Jamaica, his faith was restored in humanity. Meaning, sir, as soon as he landed in Jamaica, he met smiling faces again. He's been coming there since he was a teenager, remember? And now he is in his mid 60s, and Jamaica is his heaven on earth, he said, right? When he's in Jamaica, all things feel good. He had just taken a short trip to Jamaica right before his retirement. And then after his retirement, which was months later, he took another trip to Jamaica to celebrate his retirement, to take some time off, to just be there and bask in the beauty of the island, the cool breeze, the authentic food and the people, the vibes and all that. Lo and behold, he did not know that death was waiting for him. Imagine that. From teenage years till you're in your mid 60s, you've worked, you've always stayed connected with this island, you've given back to this island over the years. He even left it on social media where he said that he will give his last to Jamaica. All his resources will go to Jamaica and to the good people of Jamaica. So he was there looking out for people, and however they want to switch the story or make the story seem, there are some people out there who are saying that Sunnyman Walker was a Batman and it was fish business, homosexual business that was going on in the hotel, even though this man is married. Now we know some of these things to be true, like there are men out there and women who are married, but they deal with the opposite sex and they will go far away from home to do it. They will show up in some of these islands that are ripened with poverty and they will take advantage of the people that are available for quite some low prices. You know what I'm saying? And they will live their ulterior lifestyles and then they'll go back home as if nothing has happened. However, in this particular case, we have no proof. We have no proof absolutely. Now, like I said before, there were surveillance videos set up all over the area where this incident took place, right? The location is a location that is well known. The Hotel Gloriana is a hotel, by the way, where medical workers actually stay when they come into the island. So it is not a 5-star place, but it's a rustic, authentic place where reality happens. However, I've been told that a lot of things go down there because a lot of people hang out there from all different walks of life. I don't know how true that is. I've never been there, and I am not verifying to say it's true that some Batman homosexual business was going on. I guess because this youth, Sunnyman Walker, bleach out him face so much and chain and tattoo up him neck, and it changed his looks so much. Because if you look at the picture where he was wanted versus the picture where he was captured, a lot of us are saying rotted are two different people them here. No wonder they couldn't catch him, right? So I goes to the Jamaica Constabulary Force on Instagram and they have posted that Sunnyman Shortman Walker, who was featured in Wanted Wednesdays on May 5th, was held today, which is Friday, was held today in Rocky Point, Clarendon, attempting to flee the island by boat to Haiti. Now, if you know Jamaican, you know Rocky Point. Rocky Point is such a storied place. Plane done crash with the coke. That's the place where, I believe that's the place where the plane crashed, right? Or the plane landed softly and all occupants of the plane disappeared. And a lot of us was saying, no, that plane there is a drugs plane. That plane came in and dropped a hefty load of drugs in the island. And the men who flew that plane in and skillfully landed that plane right there on the water were helped and they escaped. See? But however, Rocky Point is one of those points that's very storied. I've been told also that a lot of people leave and come back through that point. You know, the whole gun for drugs trade, gun for meat trade, all that stuff goes on Rocky Point and other places, but Rocky Point, one of those places for sure. Anyhow, that is where he was caught, and he was on a boat heading to Haiti when he was caught. Enough of the bad man, them killers, them that's wanted, end up in Haiti, you know, end up running away, getting on a boat. The same way they escape is the same route how the guns come in. You understand? So there's a deep connection there. And if you know the road, it ain't too hard to get connected, because Sonny Man wasn't no big gangster or nothing like that. He was obviously on some pettiness, but you know, he probably saved up his money, and money talk, and you know the rest, how that goes. So he was on a boat heading to Haiti when he was caught. Good for him. I must say though, shout out to the JCF, because when it look like on a ramp party, y'all been hitting for six lately, and I love it. You understand? Keep the place clean, or well, I shouldn't say keep the place clean, but round up them excrements here and get them out of our society, please. You understand? We don't pay on too much, and we understand that, and we understand and respect what you do, and we appreciate you guys for doing what you do as well. So shout out to the JCF when people like them come out of the place. This does not look good on Jamaica at all, and people don't really understand the impact of this. One little rotted idiot can make 1,000 people decide, I'm not going to that island. Hell no. You see how they just killed that man down there? Listen, let's go to St. Bart's. Let's go to the Bahamas. Let's go to Grenada. Let's go to Trinidad. But I'm not going to Jamaica. And as much as we have a lot of people coming in, believe me, we can have even more. I don't know, so the tourism industry is a big industry. It feeds a lot of families in Jamaica as well. Whether we want to discuss if they're underpaid that work there or whatever, it's gainful employment. A lot of people enjoy their employment in the field, and they depend on it to feed their families. So when we have one little idiot like this now to mess up something like that and let thousands of people decide that they're not coming, it's not okay to say, okay, so what if they don't come? Others are going to come. Nobody has ever said, oh, that's too much money I'm making. Stop now. You understand? We can use all the help that we can get, especially under this whole COVID thing, which we've been under for a while. Jamaica's tourism has taken a hefty hit, and people are feeling the pressure all the way down from the top to the bottom. You understand? So let's keep it clean, man. Let's keep our island beautiful. Let's show the law enforcement officials where these people are, weed them out of our society. Imagine that, someone who fell in love with our culture so much that he spent his entire life visiting, only to be killed there in a place that he loved. Been a business, if a Batman business them did a go on with in the room. I don't have no proof of that, and I'm not going to say that is what it was. As far as I've been told, that on surveillance camera, females were seen entering this man's room as well. And the female that was seen entering his room actually spent time in his room, whereas Sonny Man was seen also there, but him never spent no time in there. So the people them at the hotel would have been able to tell you, like, yes, a regular Sonny Man come here and stay in the room. I'll stay overnight with the man in there. I haven't gotten any kind of information like that. So I'm not going to be one of the people pushing that kind of narrative. Does the youth look fishy, like how we would say in Jamaica? Guess what? I saw enough of the youth them down they look. Bleach out is the thing, them call it. Rubbing is the thing. Hair braid up. Every man now have hair, and them hair either braid up or them have some 20 locks and tattoo up skin and all these things. Is the new look that them have down there. So if we want to say that this man look like fish, we're probably saying that majority of the youth them in Jamaica right now will look like this, look like fish. That doesn't say that this tourist man was buying body from this man right here and is that went wrong. That's not the narrative I'm pushing, but that's the rumor that's out there. Either way, he did not deserve to be murdered in the manner in which he did. You understand? And these people are what we call predators. They do it to tourists, they murder locals as well. Get them out of our place. That's all me need to say. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Tell me what you think about this one. I'm happy he's caught. Let's get some more up out of there. It's SouFLoTV. I'm out. Peace.